about WhatsApp channel, how to use it, and how to create a WhatsApp channel. The importance of WhatsApp channel. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Set TV talks about app review and website review, how to make money online. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Hello everyone, welcome to us again. In today's video, we are going to look at everything about WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channel is an update that WhatsApp have brought into the system that help individuals or companies or broadcast to create it and broadcast their message into everyone. So for what you send a message across board, either a video, either a post, either a message, either a sticker or a poll. So you send it across. So if you look at this one, you see we have a lot of companies here that have created their WhatsApp channel. So for WhatsApp channel, you choose to follow the channel that you want. So, and one thing about WhatsApp channel is they show you or they give you a specific channel across your country, so you can search for the channel across your country and follow them. I'm here, you see we have all here, we have most active, those who are always active, so then you just follow them. We have the popular ones here, and then we have the new ones, so you search for it and then you choose the one that you want to follow them. And then they have a country specific. So in Ghana, our WhatsApp channel is they separate it from your group chat, your family chat. If you want to create one, make sure you update your WhatsApp account. You update your WhatsApp, and then you come to, if you come to update, you scroll down. We have channels here. Tap on your right hand side, we have the plus sign there. Tap on the plus sign there, and you see we have create channel, find channel. So you tap on create channel. If you tap on create channel, it will tell you that create a channel to reach unlimited followers. So for the channel, you get more followers. Okay, and then you tap on continue. You tap on continue, then you add your channel name. So my channel name is Sect TVGH. So if I, and then I add my DP, or I add my profile picture on it, then you add your description. So once you are finished, you tap on create channel. So now I've created my channel. So for this channel, you can let your friends, or you share your link to others to follow you straightforward. You can do a broadcast link so that people can follow you. So this is how you can create your channel. So this is my channel link. I just copy the channel link, then you can send the channel link to any one of your friends. Okay, so this is how to create a channel, a WhatsApp channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video to others also to benefit from it. See you in the next video.